Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the ultimate laundry companion, the laundry symbols magnet from Levain & Company.
If you've ever been confused by those tiny icons on your clothing tags, this is the guide you need.
Stick around as we explore why this is the best laundry guide sign on the market. First off, let's talk about why having a laundry symbols guide like this is so crucial. Whether you're a college student tackling laundry for the first time or a seasoned pro looking to avoid garment mishaps, understanding these symbols is essential. The Levain & Company Laundry Symbols Magnet provides a comprehensive guide to deciphering 42 laundry symbols. It covers everything from washing and drying to ironing and dry cleaning. What sets this magnet apart is its practicality. Unlike paper guides that can get lost or damaged, this magnet sticks right on your washer or dryer with ease.
Made from durable, waterproof material, it withstands the humid environment of your laundry room and the occasional detergent splatter.
Plus, it's designed not to leave any residue when removed, so you can reposition it as needed without worry. Who can benefit from this magnet?
Well, pretty much anyone who does laundry.
It's perfect for households, dorm rooms, and even laundromats. Imagine having a handy reference that ensures you're treating your clothes just right every time. Now, you might wonder, why choose this magnet over other guides? Unlike flimsy posters or decals that can peel off, the Levain & Company magnet is sturdy and stays put. It's also incredibly easy to read, with clear, concise symbols that anyone can understand at a glance. In conclusion, if you're looking to up your laundry game and simplify your garment care routine, the Levain & Company Laundry Symbols Magnet is a must-have.
It's practical, durable, and designed to make your life easier. Don't let laundry symbols intimidate you anymore. Empower yourself with this handy guide.
That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful product reviews. Until next time, happy laundering!